how to fix Rocket League lag on any PC, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it. First, go to settings and then go to privacy. Now once you're here, type background apps and then make sure it's disabled. Maybe you'll find it like that. Just disable it and go back. And now once you're here, right click here and click task manager, and now go to details, scroll down until you find Rocket League. Until you find applications, it starts with R, and here we'll find Rocket League. Click on it, right click and set priority, and then click high, and then click change priority, and that's it. Click change priority. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.